Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty and bring you honest, expert-level insights. Today, I'm excited to share my thoughts on the Maybelline Volum Express Falsies Push-Up Angel Washable Mascara in the shade Blackest Black. If you've ever wanted to achieve the full fluttery lash look without the hassle of false eyelashes, this one might be for you. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out together. And before we jump in, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our honest beauty reviews. This mascara promises 8 times more volume than your natural lashes with its unique Kera-Fiber formula. It claims to lift and separate lashes, giving you that long, voluminous look, much like the effect of false lashes, but without the need for glue or strips. It also features a flexible wand and a patented spoon brush, designed to help lift, separate, and create a fuller lash look with each swipe. I've been using this mascara for a few weeks now, and I have to say, the first thing that stood out to me was the wand. It's lightweight and flexible, which made it easy to maneuver and apply to both the upper and lower lashes. The spoon shape of the brush allows for a precise application, ensuring that each lash gets coated evenly from root to tip. I found that it really helped with separation, giving my lashes a clean, defined look rather than clumping them together. As far as the formula goes, the Kera-Fiber technology really does seem to make a difference in terms of volume. My lashes appeared thicker and fuller with just a couple of coats, and I love that it didn't feel heavy on my lashes. Another key factor to mention, the mascara claims to be long-lasting, and it really did hold up throughout the day, without any smudging or flaking, even in humid conditions. Now, for the real-world testing. I wore it to work, out for dinner, and even to the gym. It stayed in place beautifully, and my lashes still looked full and defined after a long day. I didn't experience any fallout or smudging under my eyes, which I know can be a huge deal breaker for some mascara formulas. The only downside I noticed is that it can be a bit tricky to remove, especially if you're not using a makeup remover specifically designed for waterproof formulas. But once I used an oil-based remover, it came off easily enough. In terms of texture, it's lightweight and the formula feels comfortable. I've had some mascaras in the past that felt a bit stiff or dry, but this one didn't leave that feeling on my lashes, which is a huge plus for me. So what are the pros? Well, the wand is easy to use, and it delivers on its promise of fuller, more voluminous lashes. I also love that it's ophthalmologist tested and suitable for contact lens wearers, so it's gentle on the eyes. The formula provides great volume without the clumping, and it lasts all day without smudging. The cons? I would say the only downside is the removal process. It can be a bit of a hassle if you're not using the right makeup remover, but that's a minor issue. Now let's talk about value for money. At this price point, I think the Maybelline Volum Express Falsies Push-Up Angel Mascara offers great value. It competes well with higher-end mascaras, especially when you take into account its volumizing performance and long-wear formula. Considering the results I've experienced, I'd say it's definitely worth it. In comparison to other mascaras, I think it holds its ground. If you're looking for a high-volume mascara without spending a lot, this is a solid option. The flexibility of the wand is a unique feature, and it's something I haven't seen in other drugstore mascaras, which makes it stand out a bit. As for the build quality, the packaging is sleek and feels sturdy in your hand, but it's not too heavy or bulky. The mascara itself lasts me a good amount of time. I've been using it daily for a few weeks, and it's still performing as well as the first day I opened it. If this product isn't for you, or if you're looking for something more affordable, there are a few alternatives worth considering. For example, L'Oreal's Lash Paradise Mascara offers a similar volumizing effect with a slightly thicker formula, and CoverGirl's Lash Blast delivers great volume at a similar price point. So, would I recommend this mascara? If you're looking for fuller, voluminous lashes that last all day without clumping, then absolutely. It's a fantastic option at a great price, and it holds up well against higher-end mascaras. It's perfect for anyone who wants to skip the false lashes but still get that bold, dramatic lash look. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this mascara, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Did it work for you? Or did you find something else that gives you that false lash effect? Let me know. And don't forget, if you're ready to try this mascara, the link to purchase is in the comments or description box below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.